Samsung Galaxy A55 5G, a mid-range smartphone with 5G connectivity. Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is the latest addition to Samsung's mid-range smartphone lineup. The device has been spotted on China's compulsory certification website with model number SM-A5460. The listing suggests that the device will support 25-watt fast charging and 5G connectivity. The phone is expected to be sold without a charger. The device is expected to come with triple rear cameras and a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED Full HD display. The Galaxy A55 5G is likely to debut soon, and it could be unveiled next year. The Galaxy A55 5G is expected to be powered by a mid-range Exynos S5e8535 processor, succeeding the Samsung Exynos 1280 SoC, which is present in the Galaxy A53. The device is said to come with a triple rear camera setup comprising a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 5-megapixel ultra-wide-angle shooter, and another 5-megapixel camera sensor. The device is expected to feature a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED Full HD display with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The display is expected to have a hole punch cutout for the selfie camera as well. The Galaxy A55 5G is expected to be priced under $500, and it will be succeeding the Galaxy A54. The Galaxy A54 5G was launched in India in March with a price tag of Rs 34,499 for the 6GB RAM and 128GB storage variant. It sports a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity O display with 120 Hz refresh rate and is powered by an octa-core Exynos 1280 SoC, coupled with up to 8GB of RAM. The phone comes with a triple rear camera setup led by a 64-megapixel primary sensor and a 32-megapixel selfie camera sensor, and houses a 5000 mAh battery with 25-watt fast charging support. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is a highly anticipated mid-range smartphone that's expected to offer a lot of features at an affordable price. With its powerful processor, triple rear camera setup, and 6.5-inch Super AMOLED Full HD display, the device is expected to be a hit among consumers. The device is expected to be unveiled early next year, and we can't wait to see what Samsung has in store for us.